Hello students, welcome to the reading practice round spoken English
Read now.
class.
Good evening, everyone. Attention, please. Reading practice. Today's topic: sing and ding words. Some sing words: matching, patching, reaching, searching, research, and some ding words: demanding, fielding, bending, rounding, holding, and folding. Bye.
Good evening, everybody. Attention, please. Reading practice. Today's topic: singing words and ding words. Watching, catching, touching, changing, matching, reaching, searching, researching, and some ding words: pending, dending, tending, sending, demanding, and surrounding and holding. Good one.